of you are spending hours looking for jobs on LinkedIn because you are leveraging search functionality wrong. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comprehensive list of jobs to apply for in minutes. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we focus on all things faith and career. Today we are talking about Boolean searches. And if your first response was, girl, what? Prepare to start saving a whole lot of time in your job search. Okay, so first, what are Boolean searches? According to the New York Public Library, Boolean searches allow you to combine words and phrases using the words and or not, known as Boolean operators, to limit, broaden, or define your search. I'm pretty sure you can already see where we're going with this. Now, before we hop into how to leverage Boolean searches within LinkedIn, I want to walk you through the pieces that make up a Boolean search. So quotation marks help you find exact phrases and allows you to string together multiple phrases, or finds either phrase. Not excludes results you don't want. And so now that you know the basics, let's hop into 3 key Boolean searches I want you to leverage in your job search.
Okay, to start, I am in the job section of LinkedIn, and so I'm going to go ahead and click Show All. This way you'll be able to see the types of jobs that LinkedIn is going to naturally surface for me. You'll see there are several that are hybrid and on-site, and honestly, I'm just not interested in going into anybody's office these days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search for program manager roles that are remote, and I'm going to use the Boolean search program manager and remote. As you'll see, it's populated lots of jobs for me that fit that criteria. So now, whereas I was getting different roles that were for different levels, you'll see that I have all program manager roles that are remote. Okay, so next I'm going to search for people who are actively posting about hiring. To do this, I'm going to use the Boolean search program manager and hashtag hiring. For this, I don't want to be in the job section. Rather, I would like to see people who are actively posting about this. So I go to the post section, and as you'll see, I am instantly brought to posts that are leveraging this, but I'm going to go ahead and sort by latest, because then this will show me people who have recently posted about it. And as you'll see from my first example, this person posted 2 minutes ago. And so with this, these are hot leads, right? There are multiple companies or people who are posting about the fact that they are hiring, and many of them are inviting you to DM them or comment, and they are actively inviting you into the mix. This is your opportunity to shoot your shot. Okay, so the last type of Boolean search I'm going to do is a Boolean search by skill rather than job title. Here I can search for jobs that all include, in this case, GTM strategy. This is because there are a whole host of opportunities that include this key skill, and this allows me to search without having to know all of the specific job titles. This is gold, pure gold, my friends.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend who has been spending way too much time trying to find relevant jobs. Until next time, friends.